Hi there. So I am Dr. Shakil, and I take an opportunity to welcome all of you for this webinar today. This webinar is conducted under the banner of HLC, Ayurveda and Nature Cure Hospital. It stands for Holistic Life Care Center, and serving the diseased humanity through Ayush, means alternative system of medicines, or we can say Indian system of medicine. We have major departments like diabetes reversal, joint and spine. We have HLC Ayur Oncology Department, HLC Ayur Gynecology Department, and HLC Naturopathy. Today, I feel myself very proud of having Dr. Chandrasekhar, MA, for this webinar on a topic named Importance of Water and Nutrition in Management of Diabetes. Before starting our journey with Dr. Chandrasekhar, it's my pride to introduce him. Dr. Chandrasekhar is MD physician and pediatrician as well. And not only this, he has completed his qualification in preventive diabetology and preventive cardiology from Australian University. He is leading practitioner in Bangalore, and he has his own hospital and maternity home in the name of Chiranjeevi. Many research papers and pile of research articles are being published in his name. I would like to request Dr. Chandrasekhar to take all of us to the journey of importance of water in management of diabetes. Thank you.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it is echoing a little bit.
Shall I share the screen? Right. Am I audible, Dr. Shakil? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Shakil? Hello? Hello? Audible. My screen is visible? Yes, sir. My voice is audible. Okay, okay. I'll speak in English only, right? Yes, sir. Okay, I am Dr. Chandrasekhar. I am a professor in PS Medical College. Today, they have asked me to speak about the role of water, especially water in the management and reversal of diabetes, and also what is the value of food. At the outset, I would like to thank Mr. Haider, who is the owner of HLC, and Dr. Shakil and Gangadhar and other office people of those center for having given me an opportunity to speak what we should do in diabetes, why we get diabetes. So I will tell in very simple terms why we are facing a lot of health issues. All of you know we are already loaded with diabetes, BP, cancer, heart attack. Now added problem is corona. Corona we are not going to touch. But why we get diabetes? See, our body is a petrol vehicle. We should put petrol. One day petrol, one day kerosene. If you put, your vehicle will get spoiled. Is there any person in this meeting who says, I don't take food, I don't take water? Is there any person in this meeting? No. Everyone should take food, should take water. Even if you do starvation, right? But you can't avoid water. You may leave food for 1 or 2 days, but without water, we cannot, we cannot survive. So for the vehicle, our engine, God has told you put only petrol, but without our knowledge, unknowingly or sometimes knowingly, we put instead of petrol, diesel, kerosene, wherever, however, whatever we put, and we expect our body to work or run. It is not possible. So the idea is what we should take, why we should drink water, in what way water plays a role in our health. First of all, let us see why we should take water, why we should take food. Without that, can we not survive? No, it is not possible. Any living being needs this. But everyone says we take food for energy, correct? But the most important this one is the function of the food, not only for energy, but for repair, regeneration, and repair of the cells to produce the antibodies, for the skin to regrow, for the RBs, new blood to form, all those things. But energy is also important. We should walk, we should run, everything we should do. That can happen only with food. Now, let us see what God has given in the food. You may eat dosa, you may eat idli, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, what you may eat on the dining table or in the aeroplane. Wherever you go, whatever you do, what we eat the food, this, and the food contains only this much: carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. Extra, we add coloring agents, pesticides, and we eat. So after taking food, we tell the importance of water afterwards. Let us see first with what intention we are eating this food. See, carbohydrate is called as sugar. Fat is called as oil. So these two are mainly for energy. Energy. When these carbohydrate and fat go inside the cell, our mitochondria will produce ATP and all those things. So I should run, I should talk, I should climb upstairs. All those things, this comes from carbohydrate and fat. But what is the function of this protein, vitamins, minerals? What is the function? They are useful for repair, regeneration. See, the cell should regenerate. They should produce insulin. The cell should produce antibodies. Heart muscle should function for this. When it is lost, see, when your car tire becomes bald, what you will do? You will take a new tire and put. Same thing for the repair and growth. Your protein, vitamins, minerals are needed. But why we should take water? See, we cannot put carbohydrate, fat, protein directly into the cell. Water is the carrying vehicle which takes these nutrients, these nutrients, these nutrients into the cell. So water is very, very important. I will tell the importance of the water. So So now what is the intention? Not only for energy, the most important function of the food is to repair and regenerate. Now let us see what this one. See, the basic structure of our body is cell. See, all of you can see your skin is cell, your heart is cell, your brain is cell, our immune system. All of us, we are worried about immunity, T cells and B cells. See, they are also cells. See, your immune system, you cannot see. If I cut the abdomen, I can see inside the liver, the kidney. See, if I cut the head, I can see brain. If I cut the chest, I can see what will happen. I can see everything. Immune system cannot be seen. Immune system cannot be seen because they are like soldiers. They are inside the lung, they are inside the brain, they are inside the liver. Everywhere they are there. We cannot see the internal doctor who is called resistance power. They are also made up of cell. What is the basic structure? What is the basic need of our cell? This cell, as we see, we can outside, we can see our breathing. We take our air, we give out carbon dioxide, and anybody can see we are breathing. Same thing is happening inside the cell, each and every cell in our body. This cell needs three raw materials: good oxygen, good nutrition. Whatever you take, dosa, vada, idli, the nutrients, proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates should go inside. And all these two cannot go inside directly without the help of the water. So if you do that, the mitochondrial metabolism, everything takes place. Cell will bring out all the poisons out. Cell will be very, very, very healthy. How we pass motion and urine every day, this cell is also doing. If this cell is healthy, the tissue is healthy, liver is healthy, kidney is healthy, whole body is healthy. See, if the healthy cell, every oxygen, water, nutrition going inside, and all poisons are remaining. So see, cell is very, very healthy. If they are not entering here, this cell becomes unhealthy. If the T cells, B cells are not working, you are more prone for corona. If the pancreas cells, where they secrete insulin, if it says, I will not do the function of secreting insulin, if you don't give me good water, good oxygen, good nutrition, I will not secrete insulin, you will become diabetic. So what is this one? Keeping this cell healthy by giving the raw materials. That is the intention of taking food and water. So now you know what is the idea of taking food and water. Just because you are hungry, you should not take food. You should know what you are putting. So this is the function. Your food and water, when they go inside the cell, they do that work. So now, what is this? God has told you, you are supposed to eat the food in a balanced way. You are supposed to eat the food in a balanced way. Something excess we eat, something what deficient we eat. This excess, this deficiency will produce diabetes, will produce what? Cancer, will produce heart attack. All those things will happen. I will give you a very good example. You are supposed to eat 2,200 calories every day. Each food, your puri gives this amount of calories, coffee, tea, your dosa, your biryani gives some amount of calories. God has told you should eat 2,200. But unfortunately, without our knowledge, we Indians, we are eating nearly about 3,500 to 4,000 calories. While watching TV, without our knowledge, we don't see the food only, what is there in the plate. Simply where we go on, keep putting it inside, what will happen? Extra calories, what you eat, it gets deposited. More than 2,200 calories will get deposited as fat. So a 60 kg man will become 70, 70 will become 80, 80 will become 90. One thing you remember, God has told you, I will give insulin for 70 kgs. not for 80 or 100. See, God has told, I will give insulin only for 70 kg. If you are overweight like this, if you are overweight 80 kgs, 90 kgs, God says, I will not give insulin. My insulin is sufficient only for 70. So if you are overweight like this, you are more prone for diabetes. God has told this heart, I will pump for 70 kg for 100 years. If you are overweight like this, what will happen? The heart says, I will not work for 100 kgs, then you will get heart attack, then you will get BP. See, this fat tissue will have 500 miles of vessels. So the load on the heart will be more. So the heart says, I will not. It's as good as if you're over like this. It is as is on your efficiency, which I will explain, will make your muscles will not develop. That also causes disease. So maintaining the weight for the height, what God has told, will keep you in a good condition. Many a times we are all obese and this is causing a lot of problem. Now let us see what is the food what we take. It is called as carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is called as sugar. It is just like a fuel. What is fuel? There is a fire inside our this one. We call it. We have to put this fire root system. God has told, put it very slowly. Nothing will happen. But what we are doing, carbohydrate is called as sugar. There are two types of sugar: visible sugar, invisible sugar. Visible sugar will not fall from the sky into your plate. What is not visible in sugarcane, carrot, maize, we'll make it visible and give it to you. That is sugar. Invisible sugar is present in rice, ragi, wheat, dosa, idli, even chicken biryani contains sugar. Pickles contain sugar, green chili contains sugar. There is no food without sugar. God has not given the sugar a free diet. So what is the idea of this sugar? It is for energy. God has told you for the sugar to go slowly after eating into the blood. If you take glucose, chocolate, in 2 minutes it goes to the blood. If you take junk food, hotel food, marriage food, party food, fast food, gobi manchuri, mushroom manchuri, chow bath, rice bath, within half an hour sugar will go into the blood. It may be spicy, but if you take millets, unpolished rice, it takes 2 hours to go into the blood. So that will not produce the disease. But nowadays we are eating fast food where the sugar gets released very fast into the blood. We are getting the disease also very fast. So now what we are doing, we are giving importance only to the visible sugar. We take only sugarless coffee. People say, I don't touch sweet only. I don't even put sugar into the coffee or tea. But invisible sugar is invisible sugar we are eating too much. See, the moment you get up early in the morning, your body needs 46 nutrients. But majority of the food what we eat every day, we are getting sugar, sugar, sugar. See, the type of food what we are eating here, all the type of food what we are eating here, it is there. Your dosa, idli, biryani, everything is there. But the invisible sugar present in this is, we are astonished. See, masala dosa contains 71.7% sugar. Your idli contains 90% sugar. Polished rice contains 93.3% sugar. People take 3 masala dosa and take sugarless coffee. They say, I don't even touch, sir. I don't even touch the sugar. I don't even see sweets. But invisible sugar, without your knowledge, you will consume in kgs. And you expect your sugar to be under control, which is not at all possible. So taking this rice with pickle, with green chili, people think my sugar will not increase. but it increases. See, that's what I'm telling. See, a very nice picture. Masala dosa is having 71.7% sugar. See, how much this one? See, polished rice contains 93.3% sugar. All of you should notice idli contains 90.1% sugar. People give importance only to sugarless coffee. How much sugar you can put for 1 cup of coffee? You can put 1 or 2 spoons. If you avoid 1 or 2 spoons, you will avoid, but you will take kg sugar, invisible sugar. This you people should keep in mind to keep the the sugar under control. What God has told, sugar has to go to the blood very, very slowly. So if it goes very fast, insulin says, I will show you 4 places. One is brain, another is muscle, another is liver, another is heart. If everything gets filled up, insulin says to the sugar, why did you come so fast? I asked you to come very slowly, but you have come very fast. I can't throw you out. Go get converted into fat. So this sugar will get converted into fat if you eat excess sugar without your knowledge. So this amount of knowledge you people should know about carbohydrate. Next is oil. Why we should take oil? Why we should take oil? We see, without oil you cannot survive. Oil is important, but you should not take more than 500 ml per month. But if you go to a party and come, you will consume in kgs. What is oil? Many people say oil is for taste. It is not 100% wrong. It is 3000% wrong. I will give you scientific explanation. See, you are eating curds rice. Put some salt, it becomes very tasty. Put some pickle, it becomes still tasty. If you put 1 cup of oil, why it will not become tasty? You have prepared vada, beautiful vada. You have forgotten to put salt, but you will not eat the vada. You have prepared sambar, very nice, very good smell in the kitchen, but you have forgotten to put salt. You will not eat sambar. So you take green chili in your mouth. Don't chew it. Don't chew it. It is not spicy. Once you start chewing, you say, oh, it's very spicy. Where is oil? So one thing, take it from oil will not give taste. Oil will never give taste. The chemicals inside the food, your sodium chloride will give salty taste. Your papaverine gives spicy taste. Citric acid gives what is there present in tamarind, what is present in lemon, that gives. So that these chemicals will give taste. But Indians who are very fond of oil, they eat too much. See, there are 2 types of oil: visible oil, invisible oil. Visible oil will not fall from the sky into your plate. What is not visible in milk or curds will make it ghee. And butter, what is not visible in groundnut oil, sunflower seeds, sunflower oil. Like that we make. So visible oil you should not take more than 500 ml. Invisible oil is present in rice, ragi, even and mango contains oil. There is no food without oil. So what is present? Invisible oil is enough for us, but visible oil we should cut down, not more than 500. Now you will ask me what type of oil I should purchase. See, the visible oil, any oil which becomes solid at room temperature is not good for health. Which is solid at room temperature? Your palm oil, your dalda, your vanaspati, they are all solid at room temperature. They are not good for health. What is in liquid form at room temperature is good for health. What oil contains? Oil contains 3 acids: saturated fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acid, polyunsaturated. A mixture of these 3 acids is called as oil. Any oil which is rich in saturated fatty acid, it becomes solid at room temperature. It is not good for health. So now, what is this one? So what is cholesterol? As a diabetic patient, we should know what is cholesterol. Many people are under the impression cholesterol is very, very bad for health. It is not, without cholesterol, our body will not function. It is a raw material for steroid hormones, sex hormones, skin, for the brain to work. All these things we need cholesterol. There are two types of cholesterol: outside cholesterol, inside cholesterol. Outside cholesterol is available only in animal food, animal food, animal food. Plant food doesn't contain cholesterol. Sunflower oil, cholesterol free. You can see in the showroom or in the mall. Why you should put? God only has not given. Which animal food has got rich cholesterol? Your yellow portion of your egg. You people eat liver, kidney, brain. That contains more cholesterol. But most important, what you people should know is there is internal cholesterol. Internal cholesterol. Your liver is the major organ which synthesizes this cholesterol till we die. So if you stimulate the liver to produce more cholesterol, to manufacture more cholesterol, you will land up in lot of health issues. So what is this one? Liver. One, smoking. Two, taking excess alcohol. Third, no exercise. Fourth, tension is too much, stress. And the fifth most important, if you eat food which is rich in saturated fatty acid, you will get more. So all these junk foods, your gobi manchuri, mushroom manchuri, your chicken biryani, mutton biryani in the hotel, they always put most of the times this palm oil because it is cheap and we eat and we give it to our children also. So even if you don't take outside cholesterol, if you have got this type of habits, your cholesterol level will be more even though you are a vegetarian. So that is the amount of knowledge you people should know to avoid diabetes. So wherever, however, whatever you take, your extra will get deposited. The whole India is becoming obese. So what I tell for people, if your underwear size for men is more than 90 or 95, be careful. 80 to 85 for ladies, be careful. So I told you what is fat. Now the most important, you people should know in how this protein plays a role. Protein is a very, very, very important. It is the second best nutrient for your body after water. Without protein, there is enough storage reserve in your body for sugar, for fat in your body. You have got fat tissue. The liver stores the carbohydrate sugar for emergency purpose. So there is an emergency reserve for this, but there is no reserve for protein in your body. You should take 1 gram per kg protein every day. For children, you should take 2 gram per kg. What is the function of the protein? It is the only nutrient muscle mass. Heart is a muscle. Skeletal muscle is a muscle. Your bladder, urine pass, where the bag is a muscle. Intestine is a muscle. Uterus is a muscle. We cannot purchase the muscle from the shop and put it inside. No, it's not possible. Protein is the only nutrient which builds up muscle mass. So now I've told you how much you should take protein, and see if you take your good protein, your muscle mass will be like this. This is the correct method of building the muscle mass. If you take less protein, your muscle will be. See, what is the advantage of building this protein like this? What is the advantage? See, if you build up this muscle mass like this, if you put some water on the floor and if you put a cloth, what will happen? It will absorb the water. Same thing, this muscle will drink sugar, will drink cholesterol from your blood, even when you are sleeping. So if the muscle mass is like this, if this muscle only drinks sugar, if this muscle only drinks the cholesterol, why you should get diabetes? Why you should get heart attack? Why you should get high blood pressure? So building of the muscle mass is an excellent treatment for diabetes, is an excellent treatment for heart attack. So this building of the muscle mass is very, very important. Protein is very important for cellular function, for hormone synthesis, so many things. Without protein, our body will not work. So now I have told you the importance of protein. When you are hungry, when your scooter tank becomes empty, when car tank becomes empty, what you should do? You should put only petrol. Like that, when you're hungry, your body is asking protein. But unfortunately, we Indians put lot of carbohydrate. We go and eat a lot of water, the polished rice. We give children kurkure, Cheetos, Uncle Chips, so many things, junk food we give. When the child is hungry and we expect the body to work, it is not at all possible. So in a balanced diet, you're in a balanced diet, what happen? You are supposed to eat the carbohydrate in 55 to 60%, fat should be 25 to 30%, protein should be 10 to 15%. It is not my rule, it is God rule. God has made that rule. But unfortunately, carbohydrate nowadays is become 80 to 90%, and fat is also more. Protein is very, very less, and we are paying the penalty. Do you know carbohydrate, fat-rich diet? See, carbohydrate is polished rice, refined wheat flour, marriage food, party food, junk food. All these things, they are rich in carbohydrate. If you eat more than 60%, this carbohydrate or invisible sugar will get converted into fat. Even if you don't like it, it becomes fat. So if any one of your family member wants to become diabetic, if you increase the carbohydrate intake like this, you take polished rice, morning this much, afternoon this much, night this much. You don't put sambar also. Put some salt and eat. Next month, same date, you will become diabetic. If you want your children, 10-year-old child to become diabetic, every day you give junk food. Every day you give party food. Every day you give gobi manchuri, mushroom manchuri, all these things. 100% next month, that child, even though it is a younger age group, it will become diabetic. So diabetes control mainly comes, you should reduce the carbohydrate, you should increase the protein intake, and fat also you can consume. So if you reduce the carbohydrate, most of your diabetic problem will come down. Now, another most important food is fiber. We call it as very, very important. You are supposed to eat 30 grams of fiber every day. But unfortunately, we are not at all eating. For everything you want, polished rice. Palav, you want sona masuri. Biryani, you want basmati rice. More polish you give, outer layer of the rice is thrown out. And that is gold, that is rich in protein, fiber, you are tried out. You want soft chapati, this much size chapati, and this one, outer layer of the wheat is thrown out. See, very, very important information I am giving. If you eat food without fiber, what will happen? There is no restriction for the oil and sugar. It gets rapidly absorbed, and there is a load on the pancreas. Pancreas says it has to give insulin. It says, I will not do. If you go to a party and come, the amount of oil and sugar you eat, it has to do 10 days work in one day. It says, I will not do, that day diabetes starts. See the water, the pancreas cell is crying. In olden days, they used to pound the paddy. They used to pound the paddy and eat. They never used to get diabetes. So the fiber in our diet is coming down to a larger extent, and we are paying the penalty in the form of diabetes, BP, heart attack, obesity, every cause of lack of fiber. So lack of fiber is one of the important cause for diabetes. So if you take good food with good fiber, which I'm going to tell, there is no rapid absorption, load on the pancreas will come down, it starts laughing, and your sugar levels will start coming down. So this outer layer of the rice, wheat is very, very important. We throw it out. Center part is maida. It is nothing but sugar. We eat only maida. So this avoiding fiber is not good for this one. See, this is also rich in fiber. And if you take 1 kg wheat, 200 grams soya, 200 grams green gram, 25 to 50 grams of methi, if you mix it and make it a powder and mix it in your regular chapati, and if you eat, your sugar level will come down because this is very rich in fiber. So unpolished rice is very important and millets is very important. Now, today's topic, what is the role of water in body health? See, everyone, we should take water. Without water, our cell will not function. Very, very important. See, what is the intention? Why you are taking food? You'll go to the temple and ask, God, give me good health. Nobody will go to the temple and ask, let me get cancer tomorrow. Let me get diabetes, heart attack. Nobody will ask. But if you take good food and good water, 90% of the health issues, what we are seeing, we can avoid. In what way water is going to help? See now, you have eaten chapati, dosa, idli, chicken biryani, mutton biryani. So many things you have eaten. But that contains protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, everything that has to go into the cell. We cannot directly open the cell and put our food inside. It is not possible. Water is the one which takes. See, as a diabetic patient, you may be taking insulin injection. You may be taking tablets. The tablets have to go into the cell. Only water. Water is a vehicle. So, what is the importance of this water? In olden days, we used to drink river water, tap water, flowing water. We never used to get disease. In 1980, when I was doing MBBS in Bangalore Medical College, Victoria Hospital, City Market area, I never used to get, we used to drink tap water. We never used to get any disease. 40 years back, no diabetes, no BP, no cancer, no heart attack. If you go to kidney hospital, all the beds were empty. All the beds were empty. Now, if you go, you will not get bed only. So in the present day water, what we are making the water to stagnant, stay for some place. In some place, we are drinking stagnant water, bottled water, RO water. Hemamali tells we drink RO water, Bisleri water, Kinley water. See, distilled water, everything looks alike. If you collect the flowing water in a bottle, if you collect this water, every water looks same because water doesn't have smell, doesn't have color. So even distilled water also. What is the importance? Water is a wonderful medicine. Water is the best nutrient for the body. First best nutrient for our body. So in olden days, this flowing water, what we get in Himalayas, Ganges water, right? Flowing water. In Mecca, we get Zamzam water. Why God has given this medicinal properties to this flowing water? This flowing water, when it flows in between the rocks, what will happen? In between the rocks, what will happen? H2O will break into H plus OH minus. All of you listen to me carefully. It breaks into H plus OH minus. It becomes micromolecular. It becomes hexagonal in shape. I've already told you the basic structure of our body, maybe eye, brain, kidney, intestine, whatever it may be, immune system, each cell. Each cell, God has given a door. All of you see here, there is a door here. God has created the shape of the door of the cell is according to the water molecule, what is available in nature, so that the water can enter easily. If the water enters easily inside, your nutrition, your dosa, vada, idli, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, which contains carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, then only it will go inside. We cannot put protein, vitamins directly into the cell. If this goes, oxygen, which comes from the nervous respiratory system, goes inside, mitochondrial metabolism takes place, factory work takes place, all the poisons are removed. Uric acid, phytic acid, and is removed. Just like how we pass urine and motion. It's removed and cell will do the function what God has told. So with respect to diabetes, if the pancreas cell is healthy like this, it will manufacture insulin and release. If the T cells, B cells are healthy and your immune system, internal doctor, resistance power is good, you will never get corona. If the heart cells are working, no BP, no heart attack. If the brain cells are working properly, no stroke. If kidney cells are working properly, no dialysis. Intestines working properly, good digestion. So all the cells, even when we are sleeping, when we are working, I am giving lecture, my cell is working, my brain cell is working, heart cell is working, skin cell is working by taking these three raw materials. So if you give these three raw materials correctly, so water is a carrying vehicle. See, you want to vacate the house. You have kept all the things outside. There are two lorries vehicle. One is Arkasi, another is a wonderful modern lorry. What your mind thinks? I should put the things in a modern lorry so that it can go fast. If you put it in the Arkasi, it goes, but it takes more time. It will stop in between. So this is a modern lorry. The water, olden days water is this one. It can carry everything. Now here, what is the problem with your present water? Present day water. What is the problem? See, you are eating distillery water. How many years old? I don't know. Kinley, how many years old? I don't know. Right? And the RO water, the Emomali tells meeting. See, we get corporation water to our house. How many days, how many months it was staying in the pipe? I don't know. By staying here, we give importance only to clarity and purity. Look at the size of the water molecule. When it flows in between the rocks in the mountain, what will happen? It breaks. It becomes micromolecular. See now what will happen? What will happen? This cannot enter. If this cannot enter, nutrition cannot enter, oxygen cannot enter, and toxins are not removed, and the cell says, I will not work. Intracellular dehydration, hypoxia, acidemia in the cell is the root cause for diabetes. Is the root cause for so now many of you may be taking some tablets, some insulin. Insulin has to go into the cell. The tablets, metformin, glycomet, so many things you are taking. It has to go into the cell. Water is the one. See, now you have got nutrition and oxygen. Now you have got tablets here. You have got insulin here. It has to go inside. For that, water is important. So with minimal tablets, you will become all right. If the water is good. If the water is very bad, you have to take 10 tablets to go inside. 10 tablets if the water is not good. So water quality is very, very important. God has given a wonderful micromolecular flowing water. We have spoiled that water. So what will happen? The water becomes macromolecular. It cannot enter. See, if your body is 70% water, your body is 70% water. If you are weighing 70 kg, 49 liters is water. Skin is water. Heart is water. Liver is water. Lungs is water. Everything. Eye, kidney. For you also, for me also, even for Prime Minister also. So if the water quality is not good, what will happen? We are going to face lot of issues. So God says this type of flowing water should be there inside the body so that you will not get the disease. Unfortunately, we have spoiled the flowing water by making it stagnant. We are giving importance only to clarity and purity. It cannot enter. So in common man terms, what will happen? If you drink the olden days water like this, what will happen? Lungs will take bath, brain will take bath, kidney will take bath, eyes will take bath, which you cannot see. Heart will take bath. If the lungs take every day, why? So if cancer cells are secreted every day in our body, if the immune system is good, it will kill the cancer cell. You will not get cancer. So taking good water is very, very important. So a very good picture, whether you like it or not, 70% of your body is water. If we are nothing but a water drum, we are nothing but a water drum. We are nothing but a water drum. What will happen? The quality of the water should be good. See, every day we are passing urine. Every day we are passing motion. We are losing water in the form of sweating and everything. So the dirty water is going out. From above, you should put good water. If you put above good water, the quality of water inside the drum will be good. If the drum water is good, you will not get diabetes. Diabetes will come under control. It may get even reversed also if you take good quality water. So water is a very, 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 very important. God has given a wonderful water, but we have spoiled. We have spoiled by making it to stagnant. Now, what is the problem? Now, what is the problem? Can we get Himalayan water? Can we go to Mecca and get Zamzam water? Is it possible? Even if you have got 1,000 crores of rupees, you cannot get the water every day from there. So now Japanese technology, they have studied all the top mountain flowing water, and they have done lot of work. Then they passed 2021 water here. Then it passes through platinum plates. When it passes through the platinum plates, there is a cathode and anode. Water contains calcium, sodium, magnesium, cations, anions. They disperse and it becomes micromolecular water, flowing water. In your kitchen, you will get the flowing water. Your HLC has got the same machine. All of you, when you come there, you can see the same machine. How Japanese, they convert in your kitchen only, becomes 1960, 1970, flowing water. It becomes micromolecular. It is rich in active hydrogen. See, when there is oxidation taking place, free radicals will form in your body, and the cell will lose the electron. Someone should donate the electron. The first one to donate the electron is water, because water doesn't need digestion. We think fruits and vegetables will give electron. It's true, but they have to get digested, and it is a powerful antioxidant. So another thing I would like to tell, in olden days, we used to get worms for our rice, dal, everything for vegetables. We used to clean and eat. Nowadays, if we get worms to the dal or rice, we will not purchase. Why? We'll scold the shop fellow. Hey, why are you giving this type of for this one? I don't want to eat. But if you wash in your water in your kitchen, it will not go. If you wash in this 1960, 70 water, you will never eat. If you wash your black gram or the dal or rice, you will never eat food, because they put boric acid. Without our knowledge, we are also consuming boric acid. For our children also, we are giving a lot of boric acid and pesticides. This pesticides is killing human beings. Pesticides and fertilizers. See, I would like to tell only one thing. See, God has told, we are trying to manufacture the food. We have spoiled the water. But God says, you should give me 3 months to get a nice tomato like this. 15 days we make like this. In this 3 months, if you give enough time, magnesium is there, calcium is there, protein is there, everything is there in this food. But this food doesn't contain. We think we have taken tomato, but there's nothing inside. So that's the reason when I go outside, when I want to purchase tomato, I will never purchase bigger tomato. Small size tomato is good. Small size banana is good. So always don't give importance to outside appearance. Outside appearance, it looks very nice, but doesn't have nutrition, because we are trying to manufacture the food, which is not at all possible. So another thing, see, this fellow is paying the pesticide. He says this pesticide should not go into his mouth, so that you will get health benefits, but you can put it to all the things what we are eating. So without our knowledge, so even if you pay money, you can't remove it. But with this flowing water, you can remove all the pesticides and fertilizers, micromolecular water. You can do wonders. You can do you can lead a healthy life. So water is a very important nutrient for our body. So in olden days, what happened? See, living long, dying short. 79 years healthy, 1 year suffering, 80-year man. Here, nowadays, 25 years healthy, eating wherever, however, whatever. In 50 years, we are taking the tablets, we are taking the medicine, we are all getting. So if you want a living long, dying short life, take good food and good water. If you want this dirty style, 25 years living short, dying long, dialysis, all those things, if you want to undergo, your food habit, your water, it will play a role in this type of disease. So I've already told you this 99 grams is carbohydrate and fat. You can this life protein, vitamins, minerals, proteins, vitamins, minerals is there. With this only we can survive. So reducing the carbohydrate, increasing this protein and with fat will definitely control or reverse the diabetes. So nutrition, what will happen? So all food is not nutrition, but all nutrition is food, but all food is not nutrition. So nutrition is what our body needs on a daily basis to stay healthy. Now the topic, why we get diabetes? I've already told you, I have told you the importance. I have told you the importance of this one, the food and water. So instead of putting petrol, if you put diesel and kerosene, we get diabetes. Our body factory will get spoiled. So why we get diabetes? India is a diabetic well. India is a diabetic well. See, the people who are inside, they are crying. We are all living surrounding the well. This diabetic well, we cannot do anything. See, we know there's a diabetic well. We should not fall into the well. We should come out. The people who are suffering, we should make them to come out by reversing the diabetes, or these people should not fall. Nowadays, now 1 out of 5 in India is diabetic. By 2030, they are anticipating alternate become diabetic. All of you know, by taking lot of steroids for this corona treatment, many youngsters have become diabetic. I'm noticing in my hospital, many people after the COVID, they have become diabetic, they are getting heart attack, they are getting stroke. So it is our duty to prevent this diabetes or to come out of this well. So I've already told you, bad food, wherever, however, whatever. This is the one which is the root cause for diabetes. Decreased fiber, I have already explained what is this one. And another most important is physical exercise and more stress and strain. See, if you get tensed up, the amount of steroid hormone what your body secretes is opposite to insulin. So you will get diabetes. You will get heart attack. But we cannot avoid stress. A lot of stress is there in our life. So if you do half an hour physical exercise, you can overcome the bad effects of stress. But we are not giving much importance to exercise. For everything, we don't want to walk, we don't want to run, we don't want to climb upstairs, we want lift, everything. What I tell, the work what you are doing by sitting, start walking and doing. Walking this one, don't sit, give continuous physical activity. Half an hour physical exercise is called as second free insulin. Half an hour physical exercise is called as second free heart. See, if I prescribe insulin in the medical shop, it is not free. If you do physical exercise, yoga, meditation, what HLC people, everything they are telling, which is free. Half an hour exercise, climbing upstairs, running, or exercise is free, but heart operation, angioplasty is not free. So that is the reason, give more importance to physical activity. This exercise is very, very important. Doing this pranayama, yoga, anything you want, you can do it. This I've already told you, excess deficiency will produce diabetes. So this I already explained, the excess. If you get more fat, see if you have got more fat tissue, if you have got 10 kg more fat, you are more prone for diabetes. If you reduce this fat by 10 kg, your diabetes will reverse. That I will tell you what it is afterwards. So this type of lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, is making us to develop diabetes, heart attack, BP, cancer, everything. So if you go against the nature, against the God, by taking wherever, however, whatever that is available and not doing exercise, more stress and this one, we get a disease. What is known as lifestyle disorders. We are going against the nature. So you can see all these diseases, constipation, asthma, aging, so many things. What all you are seeing, it is because of the bad food habit, bad water we are taking. So these are the two devils, diabetes and high cholesterol is killing human beings. So now, see if you just, I will not take much time now. See if you walk 1 hour brisk, what will happen? You will spend 300 calories. If you eat one jalebi jamun, you will get 300. How many jamuns you will eat? How much time you take? But how much time needed to reduce, to burn that calorie, which we are not doing it. We are consuming, but we are not spending it as we were to do in olden days. That's the reason we are getting this disease. See now what I have already told you, if you allow more sugar to get absorbed, what will happen? The sugar will get converted into fat. This is a very good slide where you can see this green color is insulin, red color is the sugar. Sugar goes up and comes out. When it repeatedly, if you eat like this, if you eat wherever, what will happen? Insulin will not come down only. Your pancreas to work 24 hours. People that don't take food in the morning, don't take food in the afternoon. They come in the night. They say, I have not taken good food in the morning, good food in the afternoon. It is my right to eat. They sit in front of the TV, then they will eat and they will sleep. So by the time when you eat that type of food, when you get up early in the morning, all will get. So for ladies, you will get fat in more in the back. For gents, you will get more fat in the abdomen. So this is outside fat. So this is outside fat, and fat will produce diabetes. Scientists have proved, and this type of developing more fat, what will happen? Will become obese. Then you will become diabetic, and his brother is high blood pressure, and his brother is heart attack. So building this fat mass is not at all good for health. So now, see, I would like to tell some very important things about diabetes. See, diabetes to start with, for 8 to 10 years, it will not do anything. It's a very blunt knife. Nothing will happen. Even if your blood sugar is 500, cholesterol is 500, nothing will happen for 8 to 10 years. People say, I don't have any problem. But slowly, see, heart attack, 90% blockage, no problem. 90% blockage, you look like a normal person. It takes years together. 10% takes in seconds. At that time, they will come. Some people go to the toilet, they will not come out. Some people go walking on the road, doing walking, they will fall and they will not get up. Same thing is happening for the stroke. When they get giddiness, when it gives warning signal, we don't take much importance. After the paralysis has taken place, we come. See, kidney, it's very, very important. Till 70% of the kidney is damaged, urine will be coming out nice. My urine is wonderful. The doctor tells a lot of things. Nothing is there. Once the 70% damage exceeds, your urine output will come down. Your face will start swelling. At that time, you will come. We doctors, we suggest dialysis. Sir, no patient on this earth, because it's a horrible procedure, nobody wants it. This eye, very important. If the diabetes is not under control, younger age group only, you will lose the eye. So that is the reason keeping the eye in a good condition by controlling the diabetes is very youngsters. Cutting food is 10 minutes job, but saving is very, very important. The message for you people is 8 to 10 years, these complications will not take place. Only when the nth moment, last moment, the people come. When the gangrene sets, they'll come. When heart attack comes, they'll come. When the stroke is there, they'll come. When urine is not coming, they'll come. When the eye has completely problem, so at that time, we cannot do much. That's the reason taking precautions in the early age group is very, very important. We'll give all this education in HLC hospital. When you come there, you can see we'll educate all these things. You can prevent all. You cannot purchase the heart. You cannot purchase the eye. You cannot purchase the brain, even if you have got 1,000 crores. And another important thing I would like to tell, many people are obese. Many people, they want to reduce the weight. See, many people say, I am diabetic. Okay, will my son will become diabetic? See, very important. See, these things. Children, when you get their blood examination done, see, blood sugar is normal, but cholesterol level is more. They are the people in another 5 to 6 years down the line, they'll become diabetic. Well, what happens during pregnancy? They will become diabetic. But once the baby comes out, but sugar will disappear. If you don't take them carefully, another 3 to 4 years, they'll become diabetic. At 26 years only, young lady will become diabetic for lifelong. So what you should do, this type of people in our country will get 55 to 60 crores. 55 to 60 crores will get. What to do? We should make them to reduce the weight. How to reduce the weight? Many people think, go to VLCC, go do what fruits and vegetables, exercise. Absolutely wrong. If you do dieting, their blood sugar will come down. Body says, I want energy, but you are not taking food. So sugar is not there in the blood. Brain says, I will not work. Body says, muscle, hey, you get converted into sugar. So muscle will get converted into energy to supply the need. So if you do what strong crash diet, if you go to VLC in 1 month, you lose 5 kg weight. Whom you lost? You lost your best friend, your muscle. Your enemy, fat is there only. So what you should do? What we do in HLC, what we do? We take high protein diet. If you take class 1 protein, what is class 1 protein? If you eat 100 grams, all the 100 grams will come and sit in the muscle. One is soya protein. Another is whey protein. What is present in the curds? Water of the curds. Don't throw the water. People throw the water and take the curds. Third is egg white. Fourth is milk casein protein. If you take this protein, fat, the second source of energy. So fat is lose even 5 kg fat, 10 kg fat. You may be a little bit overweight, but if you lose 5 kg or 10 kg fat, your intake of insulin, your intake of tablets will come down. Losing fat mass is the scientific method of reversing diabetes. You should not lose muscle mass. Very important. I told you, you have to keep it in mind. So education is the most important thing. Taking good water, good food is the most important thing for diabetes, reversal, diet, drugs, and all those things comes next. So what you should do, your diabetic patient, the well, the bucket, there is a hole, you should plug the hole. You should not fill the water. If you fill the water, if you take more medicines, people go to marriage hall. They take, instead of 1 tablet, they take 2 tablets. There is no insulin in the pancreas. How can this more tablets will make the pancreas to secrete more insulin? It is not possible. Taking more tablets is not the solution. So giving good nutrition, good oxygen, good water to the pancreas cell is the solution to reverse Am I audible, sir? Sir, ಏನು ಸಡನ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ? Sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect, sir. Go ahead, sir.
So this is the last slide. So this applies to everyone. Thinking that we want to become very wealthy, we don't give much importance to health. So once we lose health, what will happen? We have to spend all the money what we have earned to maintain the health. See what has happened during this corona times. Many people have lost 8 to 10 lakhs rupees, 15 lakh rupees, sometimes not to come out of the hospital to get the dead body. So what I feel is a very, very important slide. First, we should give more importance to our health. That's why I always give this example. See, one patient wants to get operated. He goes and sits in front of the doctor. There's a garland on the table of the doctor, right? The patient will ask, the doctor will tell, we'll go to the operation theater, we'll do the operation. Patient will tell, garland is for whom? Doctor says, I will tell you afterwards, don't worry, go. No, sir, you tell. Then doctor will tell, if the operation is successful, the garland, flower garland is for me. If the operation is not successful, the flower garland is for you. So what is the message? We want to wear the flower garland either in standing position or in lying position. It is in our hands. So we should give importance to water and nutrition. 90% of the diseases, water and nutrition is important for each and every cell of our body, skin, your immune system. To see what I am doing in my hospital. Any person who has become COVID positive, please come. I'll give 3 liters good protein diet, good nutrition. Keeping the third wave is going to come. October or November, we don't know whether it's going to come or not. Keeping good health. What is the problem with diabetes? Because of bad lifestyle, bad food, bad water, the internal doctor immune system of our diabetic patient is weak. So those people with diabetes, chances of becoming COVID positive are more. So keeping the immune system strong, internal doctor strong, we cannot purchase in the medical shop, is your duty. But so if you give good water, good nutrition, good oxygen to the pancreas, insulin secretion will be good. Taking insulin from outside, taking tablets from outside will come down. All your parts, all your cells in the body works nicely. If all the cells work nicely, all organs will work nicely. What is good health?
Doctor, time
understanding between the organs in the body is called good health. Lungs, liver should like the muscle. That is good health. If you spoil the health by not giving good water or nutrition, the organ says, I will not do that work. Then the problem starts. If you make the pancreas not to work,
Doctor, Doctor, sorry to interrupt you.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Salpa conclude Madi, Doctor. Concluding remarks. And then question answers irutte. Janake time.
Right. So now what is the final conclusion? Till we die, we should take water and food. So taking good food, good water, good exercise, keeping mental stress and level come down, will go a long way in preventing, postponing or controlling or reversing diabetes, which we are doing in HLC. I've come there many times. That HLC hospital is giving this type of education. So what I say, come to doctors as a friend, not as a patient. So taking good, high quality protein, reducing the carbohydrate, good quality water, and good
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Dr. Chandrasekhar, and for this auspicious journey through water and nutrients. And after having this awesome journey through this food and water specifically in reversing the diabetes, now it is the turn to have the question and answer session. Before this, I would like to have a small introduction regarding this HLC, what we are doing here regarding this diabetic reversal. We have the special department here where we are taking care of the diabetes, and we are just reversing the diabetes from the day one when the patient comes and gets admitted there. It's 10 days intensive program where we are giving that whole training for the patient, which is the lifetime asset for them. Not only this, we have other complications also we are treating for the regarding the diabetes, like we have diabetic neuropathy, treatment for diabetic neuropathy. We have effective treatment for diabetic retinopathy, as well as for diabetic gangrenes also we have homeopathic special department. With homeopathic medicine, it is effectively this gangrene can be cured almost 95%. Now within a minute, I would like to request our chairman, Mr. Haider Wali, to give his testimonial, because when we started the diabetic reversal program, we did, since 3 years we had this research, and our first patient was Mr. D. Haider Wali, who was actually undergone this intensive program of this diabetic reversal, and now for more than 2.5 years is over. He is out of all kinds of medication and his diabetes is under control. So I would like to request Mr. D. Haider Wali, the chairman of HLC, to give his testimonial within 1 to 2 minutes.
One thing I would like to speak, sorry,
Yes,
I've
sir.
come to HLC many times. They are giving very good, rich protein diet with fat also. Carbohydrate intake will be almost reduced. This type of diet with good exercise, with good education, definitely you will get very good results for diabetes. Many people you can reverse. So if you follow that type of diet for at least about an year or something, you can get very good results, which I have already seen, which I am also explaining and telling people in my hospital. There also, when I come to HLC hospital, we explain all those things. Kindly make use of the facility what the HLC hospital is giving to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening to all.
So you have to unmute yourself.
Oh, Gangadhar.
Sir, you are audible. Please go ahead, sir.
Hello. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir. Please go ahead.
Because Dr. Shakil was told I'm the first patient, it is right. Because the diabetic is heredity also people are telling that is because my father was also diabetic. And then I have got the diabetic at the age of 52 years. I used the tablets for 8 years. And after that, after the HLC has researched and made it a program, in that I implemented, and it is a very, because the food habits also, it is a here for vegetarian people, they will give vegetarian food. For non-vegetarian, they will give the non-vegetarian food. Here it is only a small rectification for the food. Because of that, any patient can able to maintain in a lifelong. This is the beauty of this DRP, HLC DRP program. And our intention is to eradicate diabetic. Because this diabetic, Dr. Chandrasekhar was explained you beautifully about the complications. Because one disease is there, it is okay. Because hello. Hello.
Sir, it is
Hello.
audible. Audible, sir. Please go ahead.
Gangadhar.
Sir, it's audible, sir. Go ahead, sir. Audible. You are.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ನೀವು.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. And this is the friends, and because Dr. Chandrasekhar was explained beautifully, and if you follow that, you can prevent the diabetic. If you had the diabetic, please come to HLC, and otherwise you maintain yourself also with the proposition what Dr. Chandrasekhar was explained. And I request you, if you want to eradicate, at least you spread this message, because diabetic is a reversible. It is a possible with the lifestyle changes. Because that is a practically myself, I implemented the program on January 19th to 2019 January 2nd. I implemented. I stopped all my tablets. Not only the diabetic tablets. Previously, I used to take for acidity and as well as for the blood pressure and a lot of painkillers sometimes. And all the tablets, the God's grace and everything, I have stopped it. When I was traveling, because I am international traveler, I used to carry medicine kit in my always in my bag. Without medicine kit, I couldn't able to travel. It was a very big problem for me also at that time. And now I am more energetic. Comparatively, now I am 63 years. I feel 50s. I am not 63. That is the energy, immune boost was too good, and the activeness in all the things. And what Dr. Chandrasekhar has explained, with this, it is the benefits of that according to the Chandrasekhar who have to follow. That is a fantastic program. And if you want, you can tell to your friends and relatives to eradicate the diabetic. Eradication is very important. Thank you very much. I request all the participants to ask questions to Dr. Chandrasekhar. If any doubts are there, he is going to explain you beautifully. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So dear participants, if you have any questions in your mind,
Hello. Hello.
yeah, please.
Sir Rajendra, I am Rajendra. I joined now. I got this link 10 minutes before one day. So I joined now. If this recorded, if you can send or you put anywhere in the this one, I can take that one, sir, and check what is the what has gone from last 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Because I am diabetic, I am insulin dependent, sir. I am insulin. I am taking Novamix 30. I am 42 years old. I am taking morning 30 units and evening 25 units. No mix, and I am taking tablets also, metformin, 500 mg morning and evening, sir. So I am
Sir,
not
what-
able to control.
Probably you have come to the meeting quite late.
Yes,
I
sir.
have explained why we people become diabetic. What is the problem? Probably you can take the recorded program there. And if you come to the HLC, we can tell, sir, I'll tell you, diabetes is like this. 50% of the diabetic treatment is from nutrition and water. 25% from exercise. 25% only tablets and insulin. You are giving importance only to 25%. You are taking insulin correctly, you are taking tablet correctly, but you don't know what is food and water and exercise. So if you score 25 marks for 100, you will never pass. For 75%, if you write the answer, that is diet and water and this one, if you score very well in 70%, this tablet intake, insulin, if everything will come down, sir. Probably we have to sit with you and talk to you, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, any other question?
Anybody can unmute and talk.
Yes,
Okay, Dr. Shakil, you can close it because it is
Yes.
getting late.
Okay, sir. Okay, thanks everybody that you have taken your time, and a special thank to Dr. Chandrasekhar, who has given his valuable time and given his valuable inputs. And it was awesome, fantastic talk where everybody, I hope that everybody might have got benefited with this. And I thank to HLC management also for arranging this webinar. And I also thank to participants who came here, means who joined this program in spite of their busy schedule. And thanks for all. Thank you.
Welcome to give the feedback if they are this one, right? Put there in chat box. Wait. Hold on. Ready. Hold on, ready. 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 Wait. Ira. Bandar.
Thank you, sir.
Today-
I have shared survey link also. So if anyone have a question and queries, they are going to fill it. So if anything else, we'll forward, sir.
Thank you very much. Shall I leave the sir?
Hello.
Sir, shall I leave the place?